Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys this gorgeous smoky blue eye. Super easy, super cute. So I already did my brows off camera. I do have a brow tutorial for you guys. I already uploaded. So make sure you guys check that out if you want a feathery brow. So I'm taking my P.Louise, not concealer. I'm taking my P.Louise Eye Base. I think this is in the shade 5. And I'm gonna use this all over my lid. I'm going to take my Lime Crime palette. This is the Venus 2 palette, which I purchased from TJ Maxx. So y'all go get it. Super pigmented, in love with these colors. This palette really made me want to like step out of my comfort zone. So that's why I did the blue today for you guys. I only used like 3 shades in the crease and then the blue on the lid. So first I'm just going to pat it, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend out the crease. I'm going to take this orange shade. I think I should have did a smoky orange eye. That would have been so pretty, or like just the orange eye in general. So I'm just going to put this in the crease to blend everything. So this is going to make it like turn into like a little chestnut orangey brown, like a terracotta kind of. That's what is going to turn this crease into, like a terracotta shade. So when you see like something's too dark, go in with like a nice orange and it'll blend it out so beautifully. Also, if you hear an echo, my apologies for that. Just my apologies for that. Just my apologies for that. But yeah, you guys just want to blend. And then we're going to take that mustard shade. You guys, I love yellow or like a mustard yellow shade in the crease. Especially when I do like smoky eyes, like my black smoky eye. I might do that for you guys. Like that color, gorgeous. I love doing it with smoky looks. So I'm just going back in, adding more brown. I'm going to go back in, add more orange. And I'm going to go back in, add more mustard. Like, it's just really blend. And I wanted to make it pigmented as possible. And now for the blue, y'all, this blue is so pretty, so pigmented. It did have a little fallout, but it wasn't like extreme, but it did have a little fallout. So a trick for bright lid colors, you want to go ahead and put like another base, like a lighter base than your concealer. Or you can use like the P.Louise. But look, y'all, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Like, this is so pretty. It's not ashy. It has so much pigment. It doesn't have any shimmer. It's like the perfect matte. I'm just taking the brown and I'm just going to blend everything together for my outer crease. See, that looks so good, y'all. I was so happy. It just looks so good. I haven't did a color look in a minute. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. primer. It's supposed to be like the dupe for the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup, which it is. A little bit of this product goes a very, very long way. The only difference is the price, but I only use this for like my T-zone area. And y'all, my makeup is looking so flawless. I don't know what it is. Like, I really don't use primer all over my face anymore. I just use it on the problem areas, which is my T-zone. And my makeup be looking so flawless. I even do this for my clients, y'all, and my makeup be looking so freaking flawless. So right now I'm going in with the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Obsessed. Like, it looks... Y'all, it looks so good on my skin. It blends out so beautifully. Like, get this foundation. Oily, dry, normal skin combinations, you can all use this foundation. Highly recommend. I want to try the new Nars. If you guys want me to try the new Nars, let me know down below. I want to do like a review for you guys like I used to do back in the day. So comment down below some products you guys want me to review. So I'm going in with the new concealer from Benefit Cosmetics. You guys, I actually love this concealer. I'm not sure of this shade, but I'll make sure I have everything down below that I used on my face today in the description box for you guys. So I used 2 concealers. I like this concealer because it's a little close to my skin tone, but not really. But it's not too bright, but it's not too dark. I feel like it's like the perfect shade to give me a nice natural highlight. And then I will go in with a brighter highlight. So I'm going in with the Benefit foundation stick, and I'm going to give me a little bronze, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too dark. I don't want anything too dark. I want it to be like at least 2 shades darker, not by 5. Like, you don't want a harsh contour. Well, I don't know like contour, so you don't want a harsh bronze. You want it to be seamless. So I let this concealer sit for a while because I wanted to get a little dry, but not too dry that I cannot blend it. So I just do this, and then I just start blending, and then you'll see me go in with a lighter concealer. And the concealer I'm using is the Benefit Cosmetics Boi-ing concealer. That's the normal concealer. So I'm taking a lighter concealer, and I'm going to only put it near my tear duct. Like, I'm not going to apply it like I did my darker shade. Apply it just like this. TikTok is the truth, y'all. Follow me on TikTok, Rouser-Davis. Follow me on Instagram, Rouser-Davis. Like, follow all my social medias. When I'm not on YouTube, I'm on my social medias. So I'm taking my Mercier translucent honey powder. Obsessed. Yeah, I had to sing about that. Yeah, I love the translucent honey and the regular translucent. Like, these powders are amazing. Definitely top tier. Doesn't leave me ashy. Gives me that nice soft matte finish. Doesn't dry my face. Like, it does what it needs to do when it needs to do it. Like, I just really love this powder, you guys. Like, and I hate that it took me so long to try this powder, but I highly recommend it. They also have a deep shade, so yeah, get it. Highly recommend. And they also have a mini, just in case you guys want to try it. So I will be taking the Krouserbeautybar lashes. This is in the style First Class. These lashes will give you that lash extension look. So I'm also going to use my Krouserbeautybar multi-adhesive. The trick to use this glue is to apply it to the lash line and then apply it to your actual lashes. And y'all, when I say mega stick, okay? So now I'm just going ahead and dust all the powder off. Also, I will be restocking lashes soon, you guys, so be on the lookout. The OGs will be coming back in stock. And I want to have a new lash too. Like, I know the lashes that I have currently on the website are more big, and I miss the smaller, not small lashes, but the more natural, wispy, everyday lashes. And everybody cannot wear First Class, you know? So, of course, I will be coming out with more lashes for you guys, and I'll let you guys know on my social medias and emails too. So, for my powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Powder in 430. And then for my bronzer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution bronzer in dark. Y'all, I love wearing lashes. Like, these are my favorite lashes. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Definitely. And y'all, I'm so mad I forgot to put mascara on my lower lash line. I was wondering what was going on. I was just staring like something's missing. That's what's missing. I'm so upset. Not really, but really. So right now I'm going in with the shade that I use in my crease, that dark brown, to smoke it out. Y'all, it would have looked so freaking good if I would have never forgot to put the mascara at the lower lash line. Like, I'm so upset. I'm so upset. Y'all, this blush right here from Colourpop, Chef's Kiss. Chef's Kiss is a dupe for the Dior blushes. Y'all, Chef's Kiss. Chef's Kiss. Get it. Get it. Now I'm using my Krouserbeautybar Diamond Powder in Nubian. Love it. My favorite, of course. This is the only highlight I really use. And now I'm going, okay, so y'all gonna talk about me. Well, not really, because a lot of people do this, but I forgot to get my lip liners. So I had to use powder, my eyeshadow actually, to do my lips. And y'all, it came out cute. So that's a little trick. If you guys don't have a lip liner, not an eyeliner, but a lip liner, use a eyeshadow, like a nice brown eyeshadow. Also, lip liners coming soon, so be on the lookout. When you see me use a lip liner, that's Krouserbeautybar, okay? So once I'm done with filling my lips, I am going to use Krouserbeautybar's lip gloss in Sweet Tooth. I love this nude. It's not a dark nude. It's not too light. It's, to me, the perfect nude. You can wear this on top of other lipsticks, or you can wear it by itself, as I'm going to show you guys in a few minutes. But I will be restocking the lip glosses that sold out, which was all of them. So I will be making sure to restock, and I will also have new lip glosses on the way as well. And then some lip glosses will be discontinued. So I'll let you guys know in the email as well which lip glosses will be restocking, and I will be adding some newer ones with new packaging. So I'm really excited about that. So now I'm just gonna wipe the powder away, and then I'm gonna go back in with my face powder to go ahead and blend it all, because I do not like this bright underneath my bronzer. Like, I don't like how bright it is. So I'm gonna go in with my powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the Benefit Pore-fessional setting spray. Y'all, I love this setting spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I got a little commercial break for you guys at the end. Ooh, I look good, y'all. I look so good. It's giving what it's giving, because it's gonna give every time. It's gonna give every time. Hey guys, so I just want to let you guys know about the Teddy Blake deal. They have nice high quality bags. It's giving Birkin without the Birkin price. So if you guys want this nice quality bag, I'll make sure to have everything down below for you guys to purchase this bag. They also have other bags on their website as well, which I'm gonna go look at myself, because y'all, when I say I received so many compliments on this bag, I received so many compliments on this bag. And the kicker is, you guys, I've had this bag for about 2 years now, and it still looks brand new. It comes in a nice quality box, and it also comes in a nice quality duffel bag, so you're getting the luxury experience, okay? And it's also International Women's Day, so what's the best thing to do right now? Buy you something nice. Exactly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat, this little chit chat. Thank you so much to Teddy Blake, and thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.